In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background on Google Meet so you can look professional on your video calls in 2025. Whether you're attending a virtual meeting for work, catching up with friends, or hosting a webinar, having a suitable background can make a significant difference. Google Meet offers the flexibility to not only select from its array of preset backgrounds, filters, and styles, but also allows you to upload your own unique background. Let's dive right in and see how this is done. First, you'll need to access a Google Meet meeting. You can start a new meeting or join an existing one. Once you're on the meeting screen, you'll see yourself in a video preview before you actually join the meeting. This is where you can already begin customizing your background to set the right tone. Before clicking that Join Now button, take a look at the bottom right of this preview screen. You'll notice an option labeled Apply Visual Effects. This button is your gateway to personalizing your video call experience. Click on it and you'll be presented with various visual effects options. Here you can select from a variety of available backgrounds. If you'd like to maintain a consistent theme or portray a specific environment, you might find one of Google's pre-available options perfect. However, if you want to bring your personality into the meeting, there is also an option to upload your own image as a background. Now, if you're already inside a meeting and decide that you want to change your background, don't worry, it's just as simple. In the meeting itself, look towards the bottom right corner where you'll see three dots, those dots that typically indicate more options. Click on these three dots and a menu will appear. From this menu, you'll see the Apply Visual Effects option pop up once more. Selecting Apply Visual Effects will bring you back to the familiar menu of choices. Here, feel free to explore different backgrounds, filters, and styles until you find the one that best suits your needs. Once you pick your preferred background, it will automatically be applied, enhancing your virtual setting almost instantly. Finally, it's crucial to preview your selection. Even though your background is applied, it's good practice to give it a quick check. Ensure that nothing in your new virtual setting distracts you or others visually during the meeting, and that it complements your intended appearance. And there you have it, a simple way to add a touch of professionalism or personal flair to your Google Meet calls. Take your time exploring Google's extensive offering of visual effects, and don't hesitate to get creative by uploading your own backgrounds. With these straightforward steps, you're all set to make your video calls more engaging and look sharp while doing it. Thank you for watching, and happy meetings.